Peace be upon you. I want to show you the paddy field in rural area in Bangladesh. You can see that some farmers are or laborers are cutting paddy in the field, and you can see that some black birds are eating insects. Birds, some birds are eating insect in the field. কাজ কয় টাকা করি কাজ করা 300 কখন থেকে কখন 7টা থেকে 12টা 300 7টা থেকে 12টা 300 all these laborers are working for 300 taka from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and all the farmers will desiccate or dry the straw the for keeping safe for the cattle. All this straw will be used as fodder for the food of the cattle, and they are cutting the stem. You can see that the laborers are cutting stem of the paddy, the yard of the rice. Long and big ear of the rice you can see here. But you know that Bangladesh depends on agriculture, and most of the people of this country are farmers, and their life, their profession, their income in most of cases depend on agriculture, and the farmers work and the farmers are working for 300 taka from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Some birds are eating insects, all the birds, and they get much pleasure while eating the insects in the field.